Today, we will learn this typography poster design in Illustrator. Select Rectangle tool and make background like this. Select Text tool and follow the process. Select Text and go to Object, then expand the text. Select the text, make a copy of it, and bring it front, then select the top front and image, then right-click and clipping mask. Also make a copy of the image to bring it backward after clipping mask. Select the back image, then go to Transparency panel and follow the process. Use Freedom Gradient and watch the magic. After gradient, select the image and deselect it. If any part of image is missing again, go to the Transparency panel, then select Gradient Mask and follow the process. Select the text and make some shadow to make it pop. Select Pen tool and make shape for shadowing. After selection, make the color black and press Ctrl+ left bracket to send it back. Then go to Effect, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and follow the same process for shadow, some part to pop up. Set shadow opacity according to your needs. Follow the same shadowing process where you need shadow. Let's add some thunder effect to the text. You can download Thunder vector file from Freepik, and it's completely free to use. Then select both Thunder and press Ctrl+G to make them group. Copy the text and bring it front, then clipping mask with Thunder and follow the process. Add background, then select both background, then right-click, set arrange, send to back. Select the image, then go to transparency panel and make it overlay. Then select background gradient and adjust it according to your needs. Subscribe my channel for more videos.